In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new layer in Figma. Now, of course, whenever you do or add anything into Figma, a new layer will be created, and that's all you need to know. So you can go down here, for example, and you can create a frame for yourself, and as you can see, a new layer was added over here. You can then draw over it and do whatever you want, and new layers will keep on being created. So let's just, for example, create a new one over this. As you can see, new ones are being created over here on the left. Now, whatever you paste in here, for example, an image or whatever you're doing, it's gonna add in new layers. And if in case you are, for example, putting in some of these assets, so let's say you want to put in like this keyboard, for example, this will also be a new layer over here. Now, what you can also do is you can essentially copy and paste them or just clone them, and you can do this by just holding down your Alt key on your keyboard and just kind of dragging this down, as you can see, and now it's just duplicating, and you can make as many of them as you wish. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.